Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're actually going to see about the blender, like the basics and the other stuff. So this video will be on 5 to 6 parts. So in first video I'm going to share you about the basics which all you need in order to make a greater 3D stuff. uh, I'm sorry about the background noises. Since I'm in the hostel, I'm not able to do anything about it. I'm really sorry. So, yeah. First of all, I would like to apologize for other things also because I have been offline for around 8 months. I'm not sure. So, I was actually really busy with college and other stuff that I was not able to come online. And the next thing is my wi-fi and the network is really bad here, so I was not able to like log into Zepeto studio or even just log into or get into Zepeto. So I'm really sorry about that. So first of all, we are going to see about the starting, like the stuffs you need before you start a 3D work. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, go to Google and I'm sorry about that. First of all, go to Google and text Zepeto Studio. So after texting Zepeto Studio, just click on the first link. After you click on the first link, just click on the guides. So in guides, I'm sorry about this network issues. I don't think there is a picture here. It won't be loading for me because my network is really bad. So yeah, we will skip that thing. So discover everything you need to know to get started with the Zepeto Studio. So the template editor is for the 2D editors. I'm planning of doing like a video for 2D editors in phone. So I'm not sure right now, but I'm planning on doing it. So the next thing is all these things are for 3D creators, and the next four things are for 2D and 3D creators. So first of all, since we are going to start it for 3D, I'm clicking on getting started. Let's wait for some minutes. Okay, yeah. So this is the starting prerequisite files. We'll be downloading the prerequisite files, and yeah, before you start creating it, make sure you have all files and program you needed. So Unity, you have to download the Unity. This is the first and foremost step of the Zepeto Studio, but I'm not sure of doing a video on Unity because I haven't been able to download the Unity because it is really great work, because when I'm downloading halfway my Wi-Fi goes off and I have to download it again and still my Wi-Fi goes off in the middle. So it's just like not now. So yeah, first of all, the Unity 2020.39. This is the new Unity which the Zepeto required you to download. The previous Unity was 2018 one, which the Zepeto says in their record this Unity right now. So in order to use this Unity, you have to download the Unity Hub also, which is here. You click here, it will take you to the Unity Hub download link. Yeah, I have Unity Hub. So the next thing is Unity project file. So this file is really essential for the Unity because it helps you to convert your FBX file into Zepeto file, which you use to like upload in the Zepeto website. So yeah, next thing is 3D modeling tool. So 3D modeling tools, the three tools here is really expensive for me. um so I'm not going to use any of them. So I have actually been using the Blender 3.1.2, which is really great in some sense, but we'll get into it when we have the next video. So yeah, the next thing is the 3D modeling tools. But from what I heard, the Maya is free for the educational purposes, but I don't satisfy their needs of educational purposes because my stream is very much in opposite direction. So yeah, Zepeto recommends using Maya because Zepeto's guide is purely based on Maya. So if you guys have Maya, good for you. Just follow the guides, it will be really easy for you. The next thing is image editing tools such as Adobe Photoshop. So instead of Adobe Photoshop, I'm guessing Adobe Photoshop is costly because I haven't had that still. So I'm using Krita, GIMP 2.10.24 and the Medibank Pro. In these three, I'm going to use the Krita because it is like a really professional one. So yeah, I have Unity to 2018 one, Unity Hub, and this thing is just a shortcut because I haven't installed it. Just installed it and deleted it because it was like 4 GB or something. So yeah, let's see. Yeah, here it is. Next thing you'll need is the guides, which is I'm not sure if you guys need, but these guides are useful sometimes, so you guys have to download it. The next thing is create a base set for Zepetos. Then this is for the Blender, which you can actually do stuff with it. It is needed for rigging work. Rigging work is the most torturous work in this episode, like creating steps, 3D steps, which is very very tough, and that's the reason why a lot of these episode contents are getting rejected because of bad rigging work. So yeah, the next thing is 3D mask objects. The mask object is required to masking your body in order to create the like the clothes you are making. So you don't want your body to be in the body of the like the robo in your dress, right? I'm not sure if you're going to understand it, but I will show you when we do. If we don't have this mask in the blender, it's going to show the avatar like the stone like body in the Unity. So yeah, we don't need that. So the next thing is they have provided 5 samples, but first of all they have provided a lot of samples. I have a lot, I think 4 or 3 dresses. If you guys want, you can actually email me, which I will be providing down. So yeah, this is the basic t-shirt, blush and jumper, wooden skirt, and white pants and high top sneakers. So this is the category. You have to name your clothes according to the category, uh, or for Zepeto, and you need to recognize, or it has high chance of getting rejected. So yeah guys, these are for this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.